Life is very easy, very simple. It's all about how we take it, how we perceive it. It's all about half glass full and half glass empty. Most of the times, we have this herd mentality attitude. Herd mentality is something where we tend to follow the crowd, not being aware of why they are doing as well as why we are doing. I like to give one example which we have seen from past 2 years. If you look at down the lane 2 years, there's a lot of craze for full view of mobile phones. If you can remember, Apple came up with a very different concept of a phone where the whole screen, the front screen of a phone is covered and only a little center part is left for a camera. And there, the race started where each and every company was doing research, and a company at last came with a formula where even the center part of the camera was removed and a pop-up camera was used. If you calmly look at when you have a phone of 6 inch and now you are concerned about only a 0.25 or 0.5 inch, it doesn't make a difference. A 0.5 inch will not make a difference. And there was a craze among the companies and there was a craze among the people as well to buy this full screen phone where the camera either pops up or only a little bit of space is left to the camera where the whole screen is covered, or the other option is the camera goes to the extreme left. Here, when we already have 6 inch of screen and we are behind 0.25 inch of screen, then what effect does it make? When we have a good mobile phone, we go back and I start buying this new phone, spending $2,000 something extra. The same thing happens in our life. We tend to follow people not being aware of what difference it will make to us. Life is easy. There is nothing called success defined or standalone success and a success with complete parameters and the measurement of success. Success depends on how we take life, how we perceive things, and how we decide our success all depends on how we perceive our happiness. Happiness is priceless. One of my teachers giving an example, he was in a conference, a open hall conference, and due to some technical issue people had to stop the conference almost for a longer time, and a person came and asked, is there a tea available here? Then my teacher said, no, there's no tea found yet. And the other man, the same person went to the other person and asked, do this place has tea being served? Then the man replied, no, there is no tea being served here. And in a little moment, my teacher saw the person who had come to him and asked for the tea carrying a big flask of tea and selling the tea in the ground. He was shocked. This was the person who was here asking me for the tea, and now I see the person selling the tea. He was very happy. So now my teacher says, this is the happiness. The tea seller saw an opportunity to do a good business in this open ground conference, and he sold the tea that day to a large number of people. So this is a success to him. Yeah. On the other hand, you see a person having a big luxurious home and a beautiful people around him and a beautiful car and all those things. And today, if one of the projects got rejected, now he is very sad, he is very down, and he is not happy. Even though having all these things, this person is not happy. success is not something defined. It's all about how we take life, how we define our success for ourselves. Let us make our life easy and spread happiness around. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.